Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TechSphere channel. Have you ever walked into a house and felt like you were stepping into the future? You know, the kind of place with gadgets straight out of a sci-fi movie? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today, we're diving deep into the world of futuristic home gadgets that'll leave you wondering how you ever lived without them. From self-cleaning ovens to refrigerators that order groceries for you, we've got a lineup that's sure to make you the envy of your neighbors. So sit back, relax, and let's jump right into the future of home technology. Stay tuned as we explore the coolest and most innovative gadgets that are redefining the way we live. First up, we've got the smart mirror. Now, this isn't your grandma's vanity mirror. Imagine this. You wake up, stumble into the bathroom, and as you're trying to remember what day it is, boom! Your mirror greets you by name, shows you your daily schedule, gives you the weather forecast. No more stepping outside in your pajamas only to realize it's freezing, and even throws in a motivational quote for good measure. Talk about starting your day off right. And the best part? It's not just about information overload. These smart mirrors can also analyze your skin, give you makeup tutorials, and even act as a virtual stylist. You can try on different outfits without even leaving the bathroom. Plus, they can track your fitness progress and monitor your health. It's like having a personal assistant, a fashion consultant, and a health coach all rolled into one sleek, futuristic package. Next up, we're talking about the holy grail of household chores, the robotic vacuum cleaner. Remember the days of lugging around a heavy vacuum, trying to reach every nook and cranny? Yeah, those days are over. These little robots are like the ninjas of the cleaning world, navigating around your home with laser-like precision. They can map out your entire floor plan, avoid obstacles like a pro, and even empty their own dustbins. Seriously, it's like magic, and it doesn't stop there. Many of these vacuums come with voice control and smart home integration, making it even easier to keep your home spotless. Some models even have mopping functions, ensuring your floors are not just vacuumed, but also mopped to perfection. When they're done, they return to their charging dock, ready for the next cleaning session. Efficient, convenient, and oh so futuristic. Now let's head to the kitchen and talk about the smart fridge. This isn't your average icebox. We're talking about a fridge that's smarter than your smartphone. Well, almost. Imagine this. You open your fridge and a screen on the door shows you everything inside, including expiration dates, no more mystery meat in the back corner. But wait, there's more. This fridge can actually suggest recipes based on what you have on hand, so you can say goodbye to those what's for dinner dilemmas. And if you're running low on something, no problem. The smart fridge can order your groceries for you. It's like having a personal chef and a grocery shopper all in one. Plus, it can assist with meal prep, guiding you step by step through recipes. You can even control it with your voice, making it the ultimate kitchen companion. With this smart fridge, your kitchen experience will never be the same again. Speaking of cooking, let's talk about the AI-powered cooking assistant. This gadget is a game changer for anyone who struggles in the kitchen. I'm looking at you, takeout enthusiasts. Picture this. You're craving pasta, but you're not exactly Gordon Ramsay. No worries. This cooking assistant will guide you through every step of the recipe, from prepping the ingredients to plating your masterpiece. It can even adjust the cooking time and temperature based on your skill level. You'll be whipping up gourmet meals in no time. Imagine opening your fridge and the assistant suggests recipes based on what you have. You can even interact with it using voice commands, making the cooking process seamless. Plus, it offers tips and tricks to improve your culinary skills, making you a better cook with each meal. So get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound cooking prowess. Now let's talk home security. Forget those clunky security cameras. The future is all about advanced security drones. These high-tech drones are like having your own personal security guard, patrolling your property 24/7. They can recognize faces, detect unusual activity, and even send you real-time alerts on your phone. Imagine this. You're on vacation, sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere, when suddenly you get an alert that someone's trying to break into your house. You can then use the drone to scare them off remotely or even alert the authorities. Talk about peace of mind. But that's not all. These drones come equipped with night vision, ensuring your home is protected even in the dark. They also have built-in sirens and lights to deter intruders instantly. Plus, they can integrate with your smart home system, allowing you to control them with voice commands. With these features, your home is not just secure, it's smart and responsive. Now that's a home guardian you can rely on. For all you plant lovers out there, say hello to the automated garden system. This is perfect for those of us who can't tell a petunia from a potato, guilty as charged. This system takes all the guesswork out of gardening. It manages watering schedules, monitors soil health, and even adjusts lighting to give your plants the perfect environment to thrive. You can finally have that lush garden you've always dreamed of, even if you forget to water your plants every now and then. The automated watering system ensures your plants get the right amount of water at the right time. With smart sensors, it constantly monitors soil moisture and nutrient levels, providing real-time data. The intelligent lighting system adjusts the light spectrum and intensity based on your plant's needs. Plus, you can control everything from a user-friendly app, receiving notifications for any plant care tasks. So, whether you're a busy professional or a forgetful plant owner, this system has got you covered. Embrace the future of gardening and enjoy a thriving, lush garden with minimal effort. Now let's talk about smart windows. These aren't your average windows, they're like something out of a spaceship. Imagine this. Your windows automatically adjust their tint based on the time of day or the weather outside. So on a bright sunny day, they'll darken to keep your home cool and reduce glare. And on a cloudy day, they'll lighten up to let in more natural light. This not only saves energy, but also creates a more comfortable living environment. Plus, let's be real, it just looks cool. Some models even come with voice control, allowing you to adjust the tint with a simple command. They also offer UV protection, which is great for your skin and your furniture. And for added privacy, some smart windows can switch to an opaque mode at the touch of a button. Some even integrate solar panels, harnessing renewable energy to power your home. With sleek and stylish designs, these windows are a perfect fit for any modern home. Now let's get physical. For all you fitness buffs out there, meet the wearable fitness coach. This isn't just your average fitness tracker, it's like having a personal trainer strapped to your wrist. Not only does it track your steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns, but it also provides real-time coaching and personalized workout plans. It's like having a cheerleader and a drill sergeant all rolled into one tiny device. But wait, there's more. Compact resistance bands can fit in your pocket and offer a full-body workout. Or try the portable smart jump rope with a digital display to track your jumps and calories burned. And for post-workout recovery, a miniature massage gun can relieve muscle tension on the go. All these gadgets sync seamlessly with a user-friendly app, making it easier to stay on top of your fitness goals. With these pocket-sized workout buddies, staying fit has never been more convenient or fun. After a long day, there's nothing better than a relaxing bath. But with the intelligent bathtub, you can take your bath game to a whole new level. This isn't just a tub, it's a personal oasis. Imagine this. You walk into your bathroom, and the bathtub automatically fills itself to the perfect temperature. It can even set the mood with customized lighting and play your favorite music. It's like having a spa in your own home. The intelligent bathtub also comes with massage jets for a soothing hydrotherapy experience. Plus, it has built-in aromatherapy to help you unwind with your favorite essential oils. And if that's not enough, you can control everything with just your voice, thanks to its smart assistant integration. With all these features, every day can feel like a spa day in your own home. Finally, let's talk about the personal sleep and wake assistant. This gadget is a game changer for anyone who struggles with getting a good night's sleep or waking up in the morning. It analyzes your sleep patterns and wakes you up gently at the optimal time in your sleep cycle, so you feel refreshed and energized. It can even play soothing sounds or nature noises to help you fall asleep faster. Additionally, it features a smart alarm clock with light therapy to simulate a natural sunrise, making your wake-up experience even more pleasant. The accompanying app provides detailed insights into your sleep quality, helping you make informed adjustments to your routine. Say goodbye to those groggy mornings and hello to a more productive day. With the personal sleep and wake assistant, you can start your day feeling refreshed and ready to take on anything. So, there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the future of home technology. From smart mirrors to robotic vacuum cleaners, these gadgets are changing the way we live, making our homes more comfortable, convenient, and downright futuristic. Which of these gadgets would you most like to have in your home? Let me know in the comments below. For more topics like this, make sure you subscribe and watch the recommended video that will pop up next. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tech adventures. We cover the latest in tech, from home gadgets to groundbreaking innovations. Join our tech community and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.